Hello everyone, today I am going to be reviewing the Hammersmith DADADA clicker, like a Morse Code clicker. It is made from very heavy metal, I think it's copper and stainless steel. It's got engravings on it, it says Morse, like Morse Code. There's the logo, and that's the name of what it's called, the DADADA. It's a very similar appearance to the Lauti crock beats. Here's the card that comes with it, and this is the box. It's just the packaging, vacuum wrapped, and it comes in a nice gift box. But the product itself is a clicker. It's quite loud, but it's a very simple fidget toy. It comes apart like this. It's very strong, in 3 pieces. And it works by this little ball bearing here and this one here clicking against each other, which gives it its sound, which again, as I say, it's quite loud. And very strong magnets. It can also be used as a desk toy. You can keep it on your desk at work or at home, and it could be used as a paper clip or just an ornament that sits on your desk like a talking piece. I wouldn't recommend it for any quiet environment like a library or a classroom or anything like that, because it is very loud and addictive. It is very well made considering it is a replica, but it is around half price, I'd say, of the original. I think it's 98 pounds, Great British pounds, or I think it's just over $100. I'm not quite sure. But I would say yes, it's definitely worth the price for a premium fidget. If you want something that will not break and a simplistic design to fidget with. Here's the box again. It's very simple. Yeah, so overall I would recommend this fidget, and I hope you enjoyed this mini review. Thank you for watching. Please give the video a like if you like this video, and please subscribe for more.